Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will show you how to hide your following or follower list on Instagram. And first of all, it's very important to keep in mind that if you have a public Instagram account, that everyone can see who you are following. Alright, if I go to my profile, go to followers and click on help me out, that's my Instagram channel, everyone can see who I'm following and who my followers are. So if we switch from accounts, go to help me out, and we go to the three stripes, and then if we go to account privacy and we do private accounts, switch to private. From now, nobody that isn't following us can see our followers or following. So if I go to Flux Workouts, and if I go to help me out, no one can see our followers or following now. So please put your Instagram account on private and no one can see who you're following or who your followers are. If this tutorial is helpful, please smash a like and I wish you a very good day. Ciao!